So this is how we can ping any particular server or website. Just write ping, write inside that you want to ping. So it will ping that server. If I want to ping continuously any particular IP address, then write ping, put that IP address. It's my computer IP address, so I'm putting it. Then space dash d, hit enter. So it will continuously pinging till I cannot stop it by pressing Ctrl C. So it will continuously pinging that particular IP address. You can see, and here it is showing the time, that is 1 millisecond. So it is pinging in every 1 milli per second. So I'm stopping it and let's see what data it gives to us. So it has been sent total packet 34 and received 34. So there is no loss in the network, 0% loss in the network. So it means our internet is working fine and our IP address is working fine. Sure, that's the tip for you.